And the guy did mention that it was around 20 years ago, and I remember that they created this Scotia's corner at the end of the road, which is on the Tralee side. And, you know, you get the impression that this place is looked after by the Kerry County Council because of the sign that's there. And that, you know, the sign is probably under the remit of them. But then there is a little bit of a kind of a caveat here as well. I was talking to another local person as well that is in the know, that knows these places like the back of his hand. And he did say that potentially let's just say there are people that don't want people going up there. That's basically the impression I was getting. And it is possible the sign was taken down by somebody. And I'm not saying who, but let's just say it's someone else. That's because I just don't know how the sign would go missing. How could it just fall off? Like, it's one of those actual road signs, unless it's taken down, because it's just an empty pole. So this brings in a lot of different kind of talking points around it, you know. And I did reach out to Kerry County Council, so I will actually continue. I'm going to get in touch with some councillors, and I will continue to see like what the situation is with the place and try to get some answers. So look, if it is a case that there's someone involved with this that doesn't want people going in there, it is quite, for me, it would be quite depressing and disappointing and sad that somebody would stop people going in there, or doesn't want people going in there. I think as well, the fact that I haven't got a message back is a clear indication that there is something a bit more complex and complicated about the scenario. So that is something I'm going to look into. Again, these are all just speculations, just my opinions. You always do your own research.